If you don't like falling for job scams, but still want to stay ahead in crypto, then you'd better watch out for North Korea's latest move. Let's break it down. Security researchers at Cisco Talos have just flagged a new cyber threat called PylangGhost, a remote access Trojan built in Python, and it's linked straight to a notorious North Korean hacking group, famous Chollima. Their game? Targeting crypto professionals, mainly in India, through fake job interviews and recruitment scams that look painfully legit. Here's how it works. You get approached on sites like GitHub or Crypto Jobs List by someone posing as a recruiter from big names like Coinbase or Uniswap. During the so-called interview, you're asked to install what looks like a video driver, but surprise, it's actually PylangGhost malware. Once you run it, PylangGhost gives the hackers full remote access to your device. It's not just snooping, it's stealing cookies, passwords, and credentials from over 80 browser extensions, including MetaMask, 1Password, NordPass, TronLink, and more. Basically, if you use it to manage your crypto or passwords, you're a target. This isn't their first rodeo. North Korean actors have been linked to some of the biggest crypto heists in history, including the Bybit hack, where $1.5 billion vanished. These groups are aggressive, persistent, and evolving fast. So, if a job offer seems too good to be true, or the recruiter asks you to install anything, step back and verify. In crypto, paranoia can be your best friend. Stay sharp, protect your keys, and don't let famous Chollima make you their next headline.